guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we had discussed about the trade plan for Nifty for 3rd of October. In today's video, we are going to look at the charts and see how the prices have behaved. Also, today we are also going to look at the trade plan for Nifty for 4th of October. Now let's dive into the charts. As we see, on the 3rd of October, what we had planned for was that if the prices come near these zones, we would like to go short, and if the prices come near these levels and take support, we'd like to go long. However, the price never came to our zone and just gapped down and kept falling even further. Now, the 3rd of October has been a trending day on the downside. But since the price did not come to our levels, we never took a trade. There might be many days just like this when we have a plan, but the prices may not be in our zone or in our range. So what do we do on those days? We just leave it. We wait for the next trade setup. That's how we deal with it. Okay. So now looking at this chart on the 3rd of October, what we see is that Nifty has created a big range of almost 400 points. Yeah, almost 400 points. If we have a look on the daily chart, we can see something like this. That's a very bearish candle. However, we should not be in a hurry to short this even further. Reason being, a lot of time what happens is whenever the market forms a big range just like it has made here, what happens is the prices may tend to stay in this specific zone for a couple of days at least. So on daily chart, what we could witness is that Nifty may form a few inside candles on the daily chart. Yes, that is highly possible. However, there might be times when the prices want to go beyond the range. So for example, if the prices opens, let's say gap down somewhere over here, and if the prices stay here for 5 to 10 or 15 minutes, but then immediately comes back and starts to sustain above this, then that would be one of the best risk reward setups, and I'd like to go long here with good amount of quantity. Similarly, if the prices are over here, let's say if the prices gaps up, or after 1 or 2 days if the prices are here and tends to break out. However, within few minutes or after some time, if the prices tend to come back again and sustain below this resistance zone, then what we could do is we could also go short, because then also we'll be having a great risk reward ratio. But eventually, after staying in this zone, at some point of time, Nifty would want to get out of this zone and would give a trending move. So if the prices come over here after some days and then go like this and maybe take support and then goes, at that time also we'll get a trending day. And similarly on the downside. But like as I mentioned before, I don't think it will be doing so within 1 to 2 days. And even if it does so, as mentioned earlier, I'd like to go long here if the prices come down here and goes up, or if the prices gaps up, comes down, takes support and moves up. So I'll be taking a good quantity in Nifty, and I'll also be recording that so you guys can see. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.